cleaned out all the old mortar in between here. And now we're going to attempt, and I say attempt, to close that gap and bring those in just a little bit without disturbing a lot of the stones in front of it. It's just about closed. Didn't want to get too close while he was doing that. You can see that is close. Is it plum?
It needs to go that way just a tiny bit.
What, towards the house?
Yeah, but and then I can start filling in the gaps.
That's awesome though.
Dean.
I'm watching you.
Cut and block.
You're cutting and block.
Just has to go around that run there. Gotta cut a little bit of it off there.
But you're going to interlace them with the stone to make sure they're all tied in as well.
Yep.
All right, very good. Right. Brick upon brick, stone upon stone, she's coming back together.
Slowly.
Slowly. My job is to mix the mortar mix for the stone blocks. First bag of mortar mix is going...
Type S mortar.
Type S mortar, yep.
For concrete block.
For concrete block.
Not lime mortar.
Not lime mortar, not for the stone. This is for the block. It doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be strong.
What are you saying?
Nothing. I'm just saying it's going to be inside the wall, so it doesn't have to be pretty. It just has to be strong. But you're just putting it in, so. Flashback to the brick wall he did upstairs and how pretty he made that look.
Doesn't have to be pretty. Just gotta be strong.
Yeah.
Gotta do that 16 more times.
16 more times. This is for Phil. bunch of type S mortar all mixed up, and we're continuing upward.
Upward and onward.
Yep.
Stuff keep falling in my hair.
Yeah, I know.
Stuff keep falling in my hair. It's one of the reasons I had to put posts up instead of that wall that was here, because there's no way I could have done this with the wall.
No. Nope. That's why we took it down. It's still kind of annoying to work around all those boards, and it makes it hard to film. Well, the floor got a little bit wet because it's a little bit rainy outside today, but it wasn't mainly from the rain that it got wet, but the drain from the portico is just dumping it right inside. We tried to redirect it, so but the rest of the house looks pretty good, but lots of rain.
Gary, what are you doing?
Mopping.
How come?
Because because the floor shouldn't have had it wet.
Is it because of the wall is open and there's rain?
You could say that.
At least we'll have water to drink later.
Yeah, well, I think this is a losing battle, but
It'll keep it from going on all the stuff you just dried.
yeah, true. We'll have to blow it again.
Oh, we blew it all right.
Yeah, we did. But it is what it is.
Fighting the rain.
Yeah. We do, Frank.
Something I don't know that I've ever done before. I'm mopping. It feels weird.
Feels weird. Oops.
I mean, it is construction mopping.
It is construction mopping. That's
So,
a different thing.
I don't think that technically counts.
We did vacuum a little bit with the wet dry vac. That has helped some.
I was going to use the word women's work, but I should have used, what do they call them nowadays? Not women, but not childbearers.
Birthing person?
Yeah, birthing person.
No. So, we use the vacuum over here to get around this corner. I'll have to come back over there and get it some more.
You're not supposed to mop woodwork.
No.
So, I don't know.
We're just trying to get the water
I don't know
off
if
it.
we're doing good for the floor or not.
I don't know. We'll blow dry it in a little bit. So,
But I don't know how we can hurt it.
well, it's got to be sanded and repaired anyway. So,
What a mess.
it's still raining. We know we created this mess by trying to do a repair. So, it is what it is. But it's not something we wanted to happen, but we knew there was the chance. All right. You're doing good work, Frank.
Thank you, Kaylee.
Did you find a box? Did you find a box? Silly girl. Silly girl.